Mango, a sweet, fragrant fruit that everyone loves. But every time you peel it, the mango juice runs all over your hands, and you lose a lot of the flesh if you're not careful. Especially with soft, ripe mangoes, the flesh sticks tightly to the skin, making it hard to peel. Such a waste! Don't worry, today I'm going to share a super simple trick. With just a small toothpick, you can peel a mango easily, quickly, and cleanly. No sticky juice, no waste, just pure joy as you enjoy every golden bite of mango. Let's watch the video and discover together. Method 1. Peeling a mango with a toothpick. What if you don't have a fruit knife but still want to eat mango without getting your hands messy? Here's a super handy way, especially for those who want minimal effort. You only need a toothpick to easily peel the mango. Use a clean toothpick to gently score the mango skin vertically into 4 sides. Then, insert the toothpick between the skin and the flesh at the scored lines. Slide the toothpick back and forth to separate the skin from the flesh. Try to keep the toothpick parallel to the surface. Don't tear the skin or pierce too deeply into the flesh to avoid waste. Do this on all scored sides. Repeat on the opposite side. Now you can gently peel the skin off. The peel comes off easily, no juice spills, just like peeling a banana. You can even hold and eat it directly. This method doesn't make your hands messy or sticky and takes less than a minute to enjoy. The skin comes off cleanly with no waste of mango flesh. Isn't this method super simple and convenient? Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 2. Peeling a mango with a spoon. Just a spoon from your kitchen can solve the problem easily. Of course, you're not using the spoon to scrape the peel. That's not practical. So how do you use the spoon? It's simple. The curve where the spoon head meets the handle matches the curve of a mango. Place the spoon against the body of the mango so it fits snugly, then gently scrape from the top to the bottom of the mango. As you scrape, the skin and flesh start to separate, making it easy to peel afterwards. Dear friends, creating videos isn't easy. Every like, share, and follow from you is a huge motivation for me to continue. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like. Thank you so much. Once you're done scraping, just use your fingernails to peel from top to bottom, just like peeling a banana. Since the skin has already been loosened, it peels off easily. The inside is fully detached from the flesh. No need for toothpicks anymore. With this method, you can peel it cleanly just by hand. The mango flesh remains intact and looks great. It only takes a few seconds to peel one. Fast and neat. There's almost no waste at all. You should give it a try. Method 3. Peeling mango with a coin. Have you tried this trick before? No fancy tools needed, just a coin you can find anywhere. Hold the coin and start from one end of the mango, gently scraping all over the surface like giving the mango a massage. As you scrape, the mango gets softer because the coin breaks the tight bond between the flesh and the skin, making them easier to separate. This step is key. Patiently scrape the entire mango. After that, peeling will be much easier. Next, use a knife to cut off the top and bottom of the mango, but leave a bit of space to hold it. Then make vertical cuts down both sides of the mango. The cuts only need to go deep enough to slice through the skin. If the mango is large, you can make an extra cut down the middle. These cuts are like dressing the mango in a sweater, prepping it for peeling. Now, just hold the mango with one hand and peel with the other. You'll be amazed as the peel comes off like magic, revealing all the mango flesh with no mess. Once the last bit of peel is off, hold both ends of the mango and enjoy. Very clean, and you can eat the whole thing comfortably. Isn't it so simple? Try it today, say goodbye to messy peeling, and enjoy the pure flavor. Method 4. Cutting mango with a fork. This time, you just need a simple utensil, a regular fork. Insert the fork gently from the bottom of the mango. Make sure to go deep enough so the fork holds the mango securely, so the mango doesn't wobble while peeling. Then use a knife or peeler to peel the mango vertically. Thanks to the fork holding it in place, you can peel confidently without mango juice on your hands. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After peeling, slice the mango flesh evenly with a knife. Be careful not to cut into the seed. The distance between cuts is up to your preference. When done, the mango looks like a blooming rose. Beautifully shaped, artistic, and easy to eat. This is a stylish and tasty way to eat mango. Girls who love beauty shouldn't miss it. Tasty and perfect for taking aesthetic photos. Try it now! Method 5. Cutting large mango into diamond pieces. When you bring home a big mango and don't know where to start, don't just stare at it. First, get a sharp knife. Start cutting from the mango stem. Focus on feeling where the seed is, gradually identifying its spine. Then follow along the seed to slice the mango in half. The blade runs along the length of the mango. See that bright golden flesh? The fragrance is soothing, truly healing. Do the same with the other side, using the knife to remove the flesh from the seed. Kids usually love this part of the mango. Next, make the mango easier to eat. Slice several vertical lines into the flesh, then add horizontal ones to create a neat grid. It's like crafting a piece of art. Now for the key step. Hold the base of the mango and gently push upward. Wow, the mango flesh pops up like magic. Beautiful little cubes appear. You can eat them right away. Each piece melts in your mouth and bursts with sweet juice. What a joy! This method is wonderful, simple and effective, perfect for handling big mangoes neatly. Let your family members try it. I'm sure you'll love it too. Method 6. Hedgehog-style mango. Unique and easy. If you have a mango half like this, flip it upside down on the cutting board. Trim the sides to make it more square. Now grab a few toothpicks. Insert 2 or more rows along the mango. Leave about 2 centimeters between each toothpick. Avoid inserting too close to the seed to make the next steps easier. Now the mango looks like a hedgehog. Very unique. Then make horizontal cuts like this, followed by 1 cut down the middle, and finally vertical cuts along the mango. Wow! See that? Beautiful mango slices are created. Each piece has a toothpick attached, making them easy to hold and eat. Arrange the slices on a plate however you like. The plate of mango is ready and looks so special. This method will surely grab attention. Especially kids will love eating mango cut this way. Very helpful for picky eaters. Just grab a toothpick and eat. It's convenient, clean, and not sticky. Perfectly bite-sized and great for anyone wearing makeup. Do you like this mango cutting method? If you have a better way, leave a comment below. Thanks so much for your support. That's the end of the video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Don't forget to share it with family and friends, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.